So I got my buddy here. Hi, Mac. And we're gonna go take a walk with the skateboard. We're gonna try something new and see if it works. I might die. This might be the last time you ever see me. I'll let you know. Let's do this. So this is Mac. He's quite eccentric. All right, let's do this. This isn't going too bad. Hey Mac, slow down. This dude never stops. We've encountered one problem as to Mac pulling me on the longboard. He never stops. And he's so energetic, I can never tell if I'm making him do too much. So I keep slowing him down because I feel like this is really bad for him. There's so many mayflies. Back, come on. A little more.
Great, let's start the quiz. Imagine we were trying to solve a murder mystery. In a game, of course. Once we narrowed down the list of suspects and were ready to name the killer, how would we point them out? By using a laser pointer. Or by throwing a glass of water in their face.
Laser pointer.
Scientific and scintillating. I love it. Well, that's a wrap. Your answers have inspired me to express my admiration in the form of a totally improvised poem that I'm about to make up on the spot right now. Deep breath, here I go. Our friendship's as scrumptious as chocolate with sea salt. You make my day sweet and delicious by default. Oh, yummy companion, together let's savor each minute, each moment, 'cause life's full of flavor. Well, that was some sugary goodness. I hope you found the poem as delicious as our friendship. Thanks for playing. Do you want to try the quiz again?
Later.
Okay, goodbye, and thanks for playing.
It'll power off in a second. I did not know that it did that.
The funniest thing is you ask if it loves you, and then you do this quiz, and then it friend zones you at the end. It's like, it's just as good as our friendship.
It's like friend zone, man.
Oh, that's the best. So, I told myself I'd have a good day today. So, I went to Caitlin's house because we're
making mini pumpkin pies if my laptop will work.
And we need stuff that I have at my house, so I'm gonna go and get it, and then the baking will commence. I'm excited. I love pumpkin pie, so mini pumpkin pies will be great. I'm not actually that good at holding a camera. Now I'm at the store because I need to get, what did I need to get? Got the good. Oh, I'm excited. Fucking ice is so freaking good. Oh, yay. Ooh.
Sometimes it can be bad.
Yeah. So now we're making circles.
Yes.
We'll bring them there.
One cup.
Oh wait, so we also decided to make
Homemade root beer.
oh yeah, that means I need to get clips of it. But it's like over there, so.
Try it.
Yum. Hi. Oh. So good.
That's when you know these bad boys are gonna be so freaking delicioso. Look how satisfying that is.
Yum.
Not bad.
It tastes exactly like stuff like in the store, but homemade, so better.